Need to compare customer coverage across multiple branches? With MAPOG, you can visualize distribution instantly, revealing gaps, overlaps, and areas with limited reach. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and open your pre-existing branch location map. Then, go to the Process Custom Location section and choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel to begin uploading your customer data. Next, click the Select Custom Location Template Settings icon. Hit Add More Custom Location Template and name it something like Customer Coverage. Set the geometry type to point and start adding attributes like branch name, visit frequency, purchase amount, and so on. Make sure each one is assigned the correct attribute type and then click Save. Now, select your new location template from the drop-down, browse, and upload your customer data, CSV/Excel, file with coordinates and attribute details. After uploading, choose a unique ID, match each attribute with Excel data of your file, and for placement, select either coordinates or WKT. Align everything properly, then click Submit. With your points now visible, it's time to compare coverage. Go to Map Layers, open the Customer List Layer panel, and click Add Layer Style. In the Category section, select Branch Name to group customer points by their assigned branch. Then, color code each branch and adjust point size for visual clarity. Click Save Style to apply. To enrich your map further, click on any customer point and hit the pencil icon to open Edit Point Details. Here, update attributes or add photos and save it. Then enable the legend to show branch colors, making clusters, gaps, and priorities easy to compare. And that's it, your customer coverage map is ready, complete with branch-level details and customer detail pop-ups, every key insight all in one place. Useful across industries like retail teams to rebalance outreach, NGOs to spot underserved zones, and banks or telecoms to assess branch density and plan smarter expansions. Want to give MAPOG a try? Head over to story.mapog.com and start mapping your customer coverage in minutes. Need help with styling your map layers, presentation flow, or anything GIS related? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.